Hi guys, it's Potato Head Loving Andre, and today we have the second best Happy Meal Toys of the year. Now, my favorite of course is the Minions so far, and this is the last toy of the year, and that's what it says on the internet. So, we will be unboxing this set called, well, as the name suggests, Potato Head. And just before we start, I want to say a couple things. This McDonald's set is so clever. Like, I literally could not think of what will the next toy be. I thought it was gonna be the Mario movie, or Avatar 2, or Pokemon. Those were my three guesses, but none of them were right. The box is also new. Look, on the back it says, Maligayang Pasko. So that means Merry Christmas in Tagalog. Of course, we're from the Philippines, we're not from America. And it's the same box as normal. So, we'll put that there. And we got little green light right here.
Hi guys, I'm going to be busting some potatoes.
Yes, you are. So, basically, you get... So, and from what I read, they not call it Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head anymore. They now call it just Potato Head because it's just like so like... They want to include more instead of... That's just a sticker, I don't know where. So we got... And how does his head go? Other way. Okay, here we go. So here, this is the plastic for the sticker. And they put stickers in there, you know. Because kids are hackers of stickers. My sister is a hacker of stickers. So here we got Optimus Prime, leader of the Autobots. See how easy that is when you just cut it. This side. And I think this is this. Oh, Optimus Prime. So let's take his body off. Here's his body. This looks so weird. Oh my goodness. So it's got the classic red and blue. This is pretty cool. I like his arms are up. But he looks more better when he has his body on. Man, green light. Are you good?
Yes, I'm good.
Okay. So let's find Megatron. So that Bumblebee, the potato ricer, could fight these guys. Is this Megatron? Better, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, that's already open. Good job, green light. You are so good. We take his body off. And now he's a blank. Oh man, his look at this. His helmet comes off as well. Let's see. Or this is his helmet. Now he's a potato. Yay, he's a potato. This is Mr. or Mrs. Potato Head. Man, this looks so weird. Jeez. I don't know why McDonald's came with this. This is a cool set, don't get me wrong, but I just find these like an insane laughter. Like, if you have an April Fool's, get these. These are so freaking good. Alright. Oh no. Now it's gonna... There you go. That works. Oh, he looks so weird. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna put him back. That thing cracks me up like an absolute bean. Wow, that guy is funny. He looks, especially without the mask, he's so like you can. I don't know why. That's the funniest one so far. Okay, let's go find Grimlock. I thought it was Starscream because Starscream, McDonald's loves to use him. Like every single Transformer, if they have 4, he's always in there. Okay, green light. They like always use him instead of, you know, Grimlock. This is difficult. This is hard work, even with Mr. Green Light or Little Green Light. I mean, he's little. He can't fight everything. So here is the sticker. It shows how to cook potato risers. I'm just joking. Okay, so here's Grimlock. Whoa. That is a lot of garbage. Okay, get him out. Okay, this will crack me up too. But I think that's Grimlock. So there you go. He looks so weird with the... Okay, that's... Okay, let's see how these ponies look like. So let's start with Pinkie Pie. Let's first Pinkie Pie. The Rainbow Dash. Oh, is this Pinkie Pie? No, this is Pinkie Pie right here. So let's start with Pinkie Pie.
Okay.
Cup. I'll hold this. And Pinkie Pie here. Wow. Oh my god. This is so good. So you got the hair or the tail wrapped around there. Pretty cool. And here's the body and the potatoes inside the pony. Oh my goodness. Okay, Rainbow Dash. I'm sure this is gonna be funny because she's multicolored. And okay, Green Light. This is your 6th try. Man, she is packaged so badly. Oh, she's really put together. And this, of course, that comes off. Also, here's the potato ricer recipe. And here's Rainbow Dash. So you take it off. And Rainbow. Oh, this is so good. This is the second best set, honestly. So here's the pony, whatever this is, the body. And you can take that off like rainbow hair. Oh, this is so good. This set is so good. And this is like so good. Like Minions, you are the best, but these are definitely a good second. Well, next is Fluttershy, the shyest pony. What? Scissors. Okay, Green Light. This is your 6th, right? Or yeah, this is your 5th try. Twilight, like Rainbow Dash is your 5th try. This is your 6th try of busting open a McDonald's toy.
Okay, I'll try.
Okay, you'll not try, you'll do it.
I know, I'm not good.
She's already busting apart. Okay, goodbye. And here we have the potato instructions again. How to cook potatoes. There we go. Okay, where's the right way? So there you go. He looks funny. Or he, because he's a potato. And last we got Twilight Sparkle. Now where's the tear strip? There you go. Okay, Green Light. This is your last chance. Okay, let's do this. Oh my god. Extra packaging is this one too. Oh man. Alright, oh my god, this is so much gobbledygook. And they have to put the potato instructions in here and they're already peeling off. Okay, that is so good. Purple body and the hair. Wow. This will shed, like, I'm sure when we sweep around, we'll find like millions of these. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh my goodness, this is probably one of the last videos of this year. And hopefully I can do season 3 of the 12 Days of Christmas. Now, they won't be like unboxings. I plan on doing the toys or the cars or any toy that I didn't review for the year. That's what I plan, and I'll of course do the Bible story catalog as well. So yeah, let's get into shoutouts. A big shout out to my classmates, Shan and Ryan James, and to my teachers, Ma'am Bell, and Merry Christmas to you, and I'll see you next week. Wow, and this is how we laugh in our school. This is kind of weird, but whatever. Ta! That's how we laugh. Yes, it's an unusual laugh, but that's gonna be what we're gonna do for this end of the video. So, and of course to Dada and Lolo and Lola, and literally just 5 hours or 3 hours apart, or even less than that, we completed the set. That's why I recorded the set very early, and I'm probably one of the, like, not the first people, one of the first people to complete the set and review it on the internet. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. You should subscribe if you hadn't already. That you make it part of our channel, where Megatron, when he gets defeated by Optimus Prime, his potato gets shoved and you see his butt. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ta! Bye!